These educational videos are getting crazy engagement right now. Just look at this. 3.2 million views, 1.5 million views, 634,000 views, and many more videos pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. And the amazing part is that they're creating simple educational content. One channel, Learn English with Fun, has grown to over 480,000 subscribers and is estimated to earn between $21,000 and $60,000. Most of their viewers come from Europe and Asia, showing that this content works worldwide. Even videos uploaded just a few months ago are still reaching over 1 million views, proving that the demand for educational content is huge. And yes, this type of channel can be monetized even when AI is used in the production process because it delivers real value to viewers. Now let's take a look at one of their videos.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I stand on the floor.
I stand on the floor.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
If you check the comments, you'll see people saying these videos genuinely help them learn. That's why this is such a powerful content model. Simple, helpful, and highly scalable. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how these videos are made, the tools being used, and the complete process behind them. Follow every step, and you'll be able to create the same style of content yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate video ideas. Start by copying the prompt I've provided. You'll also find it in the description, so feel free to grab it from there. Once you've copied it, head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 different video title ideas for you. Your job is simple. Pick the one you like the most. In my case, I chose number 3, so I just typed 3 and hit enter. Then ChatGPT takes things even further by generating 10 complete video prompts based on that idea. And these aren't basic prompts. Each one already includes the character, the setting, and the full conversation. In other words, most of the creative work is already done for you. Step 2. Generate the videos. Now comes the fun part, turning those prompts into actual videos. There are 2 ways to do this. The first method is to generate images first and then convert those images into videos. The second method is to skip the image step completely and use text to video directly inside Flow AI. Let's start with the first method. Open one of the prompts and copy only the character and settings sections. Don't copy the action yet because we'll use that later. Next, go into Flow AI and switch the generation mode to image. Set the frame size to 16:9, choose 2 outputs, select Nano Banana Pro, and paste the prompt. Then hit generate. Flow will create 2 image variations for you. If you don't like either result, simply generate again until you find something that looks good. Once you're happy with an image, go back to the prompt and copy the remaining sections containing the action and dialogue. Paste that into Flow. Then click the plus button and upload the image you selected. Choose that image as your reference. Switch the settings from image generation to video generation and generate the clip. And boom, your first clip is ready.
I wake up early. I wake up early.
Now let's look at the second method, which is even faster. This time, copy the entire prompt, including the character, setting, action, and dialogue. Head over to Flow AI and switch to video mode. If you're using the free version, it can be helpful to have multiple accounts available so you can continue generating when limits are reached. Once inside Flow, select frame mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose how many videos you'd like to generate, and then select the VO 3.1 fast model. Paste the full prompt, click generate, and let Flow do the work. Whether you're using method 1 or method 2, continue repeating the process until you've generated all of the scenes for your video. Step 3. Combine in Canva. Open Canva and create a custom design using a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Once the canvas opens, go to Elements, choose Shapes, and select a square shape. Place it in the corner and resize it to match the style shown on screen. This box will be used for your theme text and subtitles. Many successful educational channels use this exact layout because it keeps information organized and easy to follow. Next, upload your first video clip and place it on the canvas. Resize it until it fills the entire screen. Then send the video to the back layer by clicking Position and selecting Backward. This keeps your subtitle box visible above the footage. Adjust the video placement so the character remains visible and the dialogue is easy to follow. After that, customize the color of the shape box so it matches the scene. Click the shape, open the color picker, sample a color directly from the video, and apply it. For example, if the scene contains a blue wall, you can use that exact color to create a cleaner and more professional design. Now add your text. Choose a text style you like, type the topic title, and then add subtitles that match the dialogue being spoken. If you want a more dynamic look, you can also apply text animations to the subtitles. When the first scene is finished, click Duplicate icon to create the next scene. Upload your second video, resize it to fit the canvas, update the dialogue, and continue repeating the process for every clip. Once all scenes are completed, export the final video. And yes, this entire workflow can be done using the free version. Step 4. Create the thumbnail. Start by taking a screenshot from a successful channel in your niche. Then open ChatGPT, click the plus button, and select Create Image. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 widescreen. Upload your screenshot and enter the following instruction. Create a thumbnail with this style for the title of your daily routine video. Please create all text and characters here. Within moments, ChatGPT will generate a thumbnail inspired by that style. If you like the result, download it. You can also take the original title and modify it to fit your own video topic. And that's it. You now have the video idea, the scenes, the editing workflow, the subtitles, and the thumbnail. Everything is ready to go. In the next step, you'll be ready to publish and start building your own educational content channel.
I wake up early. I wake up early.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I make my bed. I make my bed.
I drink some milk. I drink some milk.
Thanks for watching and hit subscribe to our channel.